Okay mga kapatid, ang ating susunod po na panonoorin ay galing sa Pinas Outsider, no? Tsaka sa House of Representative, no? Good news balita. Kong Marcoleta, si Noplak, si Laila de Lima. Kong Binutata, si Luistro. Redon Garin, ayan. Nako, ito na naman tong mga to, ano? Ito yung atake ng atake. Tuloy na muna natin to mga kapatid. Maiinis kayo pero sa kabilang banda, at least malalaman nyo yung katotohanan. No? Kaya panoorin na ho natin ito ng sabay-sabay. Here we go. Galing sa ano to Pinas Outsider.
The Honorable Marcoleta.
Point of order. This is not directed to the members of the committee.
Madam Chair, our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Yeah, but I can.
Perhaps you
There's a point
can
of
just
order.
manifest
Or just
instead of raising a
manifestation.
point of order.
Hindi pa siya nagsasalita, no? Parang gusto agad harangan, eh. Base ho sa aking obserbasyon. Parang hindi nga siya member, huwag niyo na lang pagsalitain. Parang ganun ho kasi yung tono, no? Pero pwede naman pala. Okay?
Manifestation.
All
Not
right,
directed.
you may proceed, Honorable Marcoleta.
This is not directed to the members of the Justice Committee, but I observed the presence of Mr. Kiko D from the audience. Though he was allowed to be an audience in the proceedings, despite his withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint, I suggest that he observe proper decorum. Because if you will remember,
May we know the action of the Honorable D or Mr. D, which is not consistent with decorum?
I'm just speaking from experience when
Which means he hasn't committed any.
Tagalog na lang kasi kayo. Mas madali ang buhay ninyo kasi nga, napaparod tayo ng ibang bansa pero mas priority Pilipino. Kung magsipagtagalugan kayo dyan, mas okay po para sa akin.
Yet.
not yet, but as a as a premonition or a warning, during the archiving of the impeachment at the Senate, Mr. D,
Madam Chair,
Mr. D,
Madam Chair, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Let us not...
Point of order. Let us wait until he finishes and then
can
I
you
will
just
be
allow me to
recognizing it.
finish? During the archiving of the impeachment, Mr. D booed and made a gesture of thumbs down at the VIP gallery of the Senate.
Oh.
All right. Honorable
wala naman.
Marcoleta, but it is
It's for them
apparent
to observe
that
proper decorum.
the Honorable D hasn't committed anything yet which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like to say something, Honorable De Lima?
Yes, Madam Chair, it is completely improper for our colleague here to raise that matter. He has not cited any act of misconduct or misbehavior on the part of Mr. Kiko D. And alluding
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a
alluding-
motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the
Oh.
manifestation.
Second, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike out from the record the manifestation of the
Oh.
Honorable Marcoleta. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta is hereby ordered stricken out of the record. If there are no other matters which the members wishes to discuss, the chair is ready to hear your most favorite motion.
Move to adjourn, Madam Chair.
There's a motion to adjourn. The same has been seconded. No objection.
This solemn constitutional duty. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Madam Chair.
Habang di pa sila nagsasalita, ang comment ko lang doon, ayaw ko talaga doon kay Abante. Natalo na, nanalo pa. Ayaw ko talaga dyan.
Thank you, Honorable Abante. That finally concludes our sponsorship
Yung relo niya, pinakita, mamahalin pala yung relo ni Abante.
speeches. Honorable Suntay, if this concerns the sponsorship speech, because soon we will be proceeding to hear on the sufficiency in form, if that concerns form. Kindly use the microphone of the Honorable Padiernos.
Ano ba lang pinagkagagawa nila dyan? No? Kasi alam ko may ano ngayon may gera, di ba? Ang ibang bansa, pinaghahandaan na po nila yung mga nangyayaring posibilidad. Pero dito, ang pinaghahandaan daw nila, impeachment. No, yung delikado yun yung EDCA. Ang dami pong EDCA dito sa Pilipinas. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Sa Mindanao, bandang taas, no? Bandang north ng Mindanao. Kaya yung ibang mga bansa, naghahanda sila sa mga pwedeng mangyari. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, ang pinaghahandaan impeachment. Ilang buwan lang ba ang tag-ulan? March, April, May. Pagdating ng June o July, ayan na naman, sisisihin na naman ni PBBM yung problema. Yung bagyo, hindi na sumusunod sa schedule. Sasabihin na naman niya. So, ngayon, impeachment. Diba? May gerang nangyayari. Sa ibang bansa, nategi na yung parang pinaka-presidente. Sana all. Joke lang. Mabuti pa sila. Sabi ng ganun sa post naman yan. Dito, wala, impeachment ang inatupag. No? Pwede ba i-cancel nyo muna yan? Delikado yung nangyayari ngayon sa Iran, Iraq, Israel with combination of US, di ba? Gumante yung Iran kasi nga nabawian ng buhay ang kanilang leader. Ginantian parang nag-ano pa sa Abu Dhabi ba? Sa Dubai, yung mga EDCA doon ata ng mga parang binana. Ewan ko lang parang gano'n Sa Pilipinas, ang dami nating EDCA, tandaan nyo. Nagigets nyo po ba? Sana lang, walang mangyari O, tuloy na natin dito banda
Check this. Thank you very much,
Magkano kaya ang per hearing nila dito? Hindi, sweldo, di ba? Siyempre.
Madam Chair. Well, Madam Chair, after hearing all the endorsers of the impeachment complaint, sangayon naman ako sa kanila dahil ang mga sinabi nga natin mga endorsers, there has been allegations now of misuse of hundreds of millions of public funds. Merong mga sworn affidavits, merong mga allegations na binitawan, merong usapin regarding betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Congresswoman Renico, hindi dapat tayo matakot ungkatin ang katotohanan. At kagaya ng sinabi...
So, nakay BP Sara lahat ng korupsyon. Hindi, baka kakampi to. Tignan muna natin. No, yung mga pinagkasabi nila, magkano ba yun? 612 million. No? Ewan ko lang, baka kakampi to Ang tinutukoy ko dito sa mga kumakalaban kay BP Sara. Kasi lintik niya, napatunayan na nga ng COA, walang masamang tinapay. Itong mga to, talagang nagsisiksikan po sila doon sa issue doon kay BP Sara. Samantalang bilyones ang usapan, 800 billion. Laki kong uulitin to para malaman ng mga kababayan natin. Ba't ayaw nyo magsiksikan sa issue na yun? Dito kayo nagsisiksik kay BP Sara. Tingnan natin, baka naman kakampi to.
ng aking kaibigan, si Pastor Benny Abante.
Kaibigan nyo pala si Abante. Mukhang ayaw mo rin sa Duterte, sigurado.
Public office is a public trust. We should proceed with fairness and without fear. Bottom line, we have to be impartial. That's why I would like to raise this. In the light of serious allegations contained in a joint affidavit issued last February 23, that has been reportedly transmitted to the Office of the Ombudsman. There have been allegations that some members of Congress nakatanggap ng envelope, nakatanggap ng maleta.
May mga ebidensya nga sinasabi, hindi lang sila. May umaamin pa nga doon sa habang nag-i-speech sila. Kaya may ganun pa nga nagsabi. Kaya ko lang ito ginawa kasi nga para sa lokal namin. May mga ganun pa ako napanood, di ko na lang matandaan.
Ito'y naibigay, hindi sa opisina, sa townhouse. No, let me finish.
There's
You
a
will have
point
your
of
turn
order,
because
the
this has
Honorable
bearing.
Sutay.
This is not an allusion
Order.
Alam, mukhang kakampi ata to ng Duterte Maganda to, maganda to.
prejudge the veracity of the allegation.
Honorable Suntay, there is a point of order.
This is also a point of order.
Ala, mukhang kakampi nga to ng Duterte, no? Ala, ba't nyo inaharang? Nagsasalita pa eh.
The highest hierarchy among all the motions.
The relevancy of this speech.
No. Madam Chair,
Ito na, sasabog na ulo nito. Namumula na sa galit, Ito, ano rin to eh. Maka Romualdez din to eh. No, galit na siya, Taragis kayo, may kapangyarihan lang kayo. Kung wala kayong mga kapangyarihan, 1v1 sa taong bayan. Grabe, Ito, wala naman tong tira sa May mga natulong na ba to sa Pilipinas? Taga lang din to eh. Sa akin lang pananaw ko lang ito, no? Rin to, tagaputak din to eh, no? Taga-kahul-kahul din to eh. Yun ang akin nakikita kasi puro ka lang kahul eh, sir eh. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. Wala ako nabalita na ikaw ay inayos yung lugar ng ganito kaya nag-trending ang pangalan. Wala kayong ginawa dyan kundi magpakita at akusahan si BP Sara. Yan lagi ang nakikita ko simula nung nagbablog tayo, no?
this is very relevant because we are
Please, Honorable Suntay, please wait until he finishes with his point of order. The Honorable Terry Ridon is recognized. Kindly use a microphone which is okay.
Madam Chair, the speech of our distinguished
Puso, pulang-pula na siya, Sayang to, sayang. Sayang, dapat inasar nyo pa ng inasar to. Pulang-pula na, sayang,
colleague is absolutely relevant to the question of sufficiency of form and substance in the matter, and more importantly,
Ito na naman tayo sa mga... sarap sabihin kasing gago ng mga to, kaso ayoko sabihin eh. Gago sila pero mahirap sabihin eh, kaya wag nating sabihin gago sila. Hindi, gago talaga sila eh. Pag ayaw nila doon sa sinasabi ng tao, lalo na nagiging tunog maka Duterte o para sa tama, hinaharang na agad nila. Namumula na.
my understanding of what he's stating today is that he's probably accusing members of Congress, members of the House Committee on
Buti di pa nga tapos, ang dami. Dumipensa ka na agad eh.
Justice as receiving payments for the implementation of our mandate in the
Meron naman talaga, di ba? May mga nakatanggap. Umaamin pa nga yung iba eh. Hindi pa totoo yun, yung may mga pumirma. Ang dami-daming pumirma.
impeachment proceedings. So, which is which, Madam Chair? So I think his speech is out of order, and this should be decided promptly by the committee.
Grabe, pulang-pula Taas siguro ng sweldo nito.
We heard the basis of the point of order of the Honorable Terry Ridon. Now we shall hear the answer of the Honorable Suntay.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Yan.
Ang problema sa
Kindly
kaibigan ko,
justify the relevance of your
He is
statement to the
jumping
care
the
of
gun.
impeachment proceedings.
he is jumping the gun. This is actually relevant not only in the determination of form and substance. This is relevant in the impartiality, in determining the impartiality of this hearing,
Nanginginig na siya. Sana inasar niya pa ng inasar.
which is very important. Madam Chair, this is not an accusation.
Oh.
Kaya nga, kung hinintay lang ako patapusin,
Guilty kasi, sir.
ewan ko bakit naman yung aking kaibigan, naggagalaiti ka agad at concern na concern.
Oo nga.
You know,
no.
if we have nothing to hear, then we just listen. If we are not being alluded, why are we so guilty?
Oh.
So let me finish. The issue here is not to prejudge the veracity of the allegation. However, given the gravity of the claims and the potential impact on the credibility of the committee's proceeding, ang gusto ko maging malinaw lang po, hindi ko hinuhusgahan yung aking mga kasamahan
Oh.
o ipagpalagay na totoo ang mga aligasyon.
Ang kalma-kalma niya magsalita, Kayo talaga.
Hindi din po ito personal na laban sa sino man sa inyo.
Mm.
Sa katunayan, ang layunin ko ay kabaligtaran upang protektahan ng bawat isa sa inyo. Mabigyan, kasi may listahan na nilalabas eh.
Oo.
Ang gusto ko po, sa ganitong pagkakataon, Madam Chair, naniniwala ako na mas mabuti na tayo mismo ang magharap at maglinaw ng issue.
Oo.
Kaya maging
Patunayan ninyo na hindi talaga kayo tumanggap.
bulok kaysa maging bulong-bulungan pa ito.
Oo.
Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon bawat membro ng committee. Pagkakataon mismo na mag-assess ng kanilang sitwasyon or if they can be an impartial member of this committee. Yun lang. Kung sa tingin nila they can be an impartial, then let's proceed. However, if they think that baka pagdudahan sila at pagdudahan yung lalabas
Tama.
dito na resulta,
Tama.
then let's allow them if they want to recuse, if
Honorable Suntay.
Pinapatayan ng mic. Parang pinapatayan. Ano ba, wala na kayong budget sa mic dyan? Sira na ba yan?
With all due respect, unless all your manifestations have complete relevance to the current impeachment proceedings, you're enjoined by the chair to proceeding to your manifestation.
that's why, Madam Chair,
So ordered.
Madam Chair, my point is just to, if
Honorable
you could,
Sunta, you are enjoined already by the chair to cease from manifesting, from making manifestations which are totally irrelevant to our current proceedings.
okay, thank you, Madam Chair, but as I
Thank
mentioned,
you.
this goes to the partiality,
Doon pa lang, ano na sila, no? Basag na lahat sila, no?
the impartiality of the committee.
You are
Thank you.
assured
That the words and the allegations as contained for congressmen getting money in the office and being delivered in
Sa pato, ayoko rin to eh.
the townhouses be stricken off the records. So move, Madam Chair.
there is a motion to strike off from the record the
Di ba ito si Deng Baksha?
manifestation of the Honorable Suntay with respect to the money taken or received in relation to the
Basically, Madam Chair, the statements, the allegation mentioned by Congressman, or my good friend, my very good friend, Congressman Suntay,
you are good friend to each other.
Wow.
Very, Madam Chair.
Very much, Madam Chair. So,
Wow, very much.
There is a motion to strike off from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about the money taken or received.
Ano ba tong hearing nila? Ano ba tong show? Ano ba to, comedy? Comedy to, mga kapatid. Okay, siguro hanggang dito na lang tayo. No? Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Para sa akin, itong impeachment kay Bibi Sara, napaka-ampaw, napaka-walang kwenta. Yung nagsalita kanina, kaibigan pa nila, at mukhang magtutropa sila dyan, napikon na agad, nagkaroon agad ng pikunan. Paano pag si BP Sara pa yung nandyan? Wala, para sa akin, walang kwenta yung impeachment na yan. Huwag niyong unahin yan. Pero sige lang, bahala kayo. Ganyan yung gustong makilala kayo ng mga tao, wala na kami magagawa. Eh, alam ko naman na mas importante sa inyo yung sweldo, hindi yung bayan. Totoo naman yun. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.
Kung gusto nyo naman ng mura na at mabilis na internet, nandito na ang Fiber ni Juan. Maaasahan, kaya tawag na. Baka meron na sa inyong lugar ang Fiber ni Juan.